Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The markets are closing, so let's have a look at the FTSE futures on the Oanda platform. What did we get today? What can we expect for tomorrow, Friday, October 20th? For the record, today is Thursday, October 19th. Time is around 5:30 p.m. GMT. So we will also do the higher time frame analysis, and therefore I start here in the weekly. And so my take on the FTSE is that we did 5 waves up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1, and that we are now working on a wave 2 down. So that would be the first scenario. The second scenario would be that our wave 1 here is not finished yet, but we had a wave 1, a wave 2. Wave 3 is then situated here. We are currently doing a wave 4 as a triangle, and then we should get one more wave up as a fifth wave before we start the correction. So actually two completely different scenarios, but the truth is that I really have difficulties to make sense of this higher time frame data. Can be anything in my opinion, can be the scenario in green, can be the scenario in red. The scenario in green here, yeah, we do not really have divergence, but it looks like we have 5 swings. So these would be arguments in favor of the scenario in green. And then here, yeah, we might be doing a triangle, but the problem with the triangle is you only know afterwards if we have our triangle or not. So far the triangle is incomplete, so it is not a triangle for the moment. If it would unfold, then I think it would happen like this. So here our wave A, here our wave B, then the wave C is located right here and not here. I already saw Elliott Wave counts where the wave C was located here, but that's not possible. We took out the low right here. So then the wave C is located here. And then what we need is a wave D. And I actually don't think the wave D is situated right here. I think we still have to make the wave D. And so I would expect upside to make the wave D and then a wave E down, and then we should launch. But yeah, let's do not spend too much energy on this. We will see what happens in the higher time frame in a few weeks, months. It's also very difficult to do something right here as an investor. As you can see, we are just bumping around. There is not really clear structure. So therefore, let's go to the lower time frame. And so I just continue with my scenario in green. And here we are doing like a bigger W X Y correction. So corrective move down to complete or to correct, I mean, this upward structure we had here. And so this might look quite complicated, but I think the essence is that we are nicely moving in 3 waves. So this is definitely not impulsive behavior. This is corrective behavior. Look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here on the lower time frame, 1, 2, 3. So I think the essence is now that let's just consider here this wave, Y. And I think this wave Y is unfolding as another WXY structure. And so it looks like we had the wave W as an A, B, C. The wave X down here, we reacted from this area also as a WXY structure. And so now the next step would be to work on this wave Y here. And I believe for the moment this is unfolding as an A, B, C correction. Let's have a look at the lower time frame, or let's zoom in to the 4 hour. So like I acknowledged yesterday, I was too early with calling here for a wave A. So my previous count was calling for a wave A right here, shallow wave B, and then the wave C has started. But yesterday we took out this low, which means this count was invalidated. And yeah, actually, now I look back at it, this looks indeed like good 5 waves. We're ending with divergence here. This was the wave 4 we had right here, and then this should be the wave 3. So the wave A is situated right here and not here as I thought before. And so if we had our wave A right here, then I think now we are doing, or we had the wave B. So we are in the wave B area. If we take the length of our wave A, then we are in the wave B area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. So from this area, we should move up again as a wave C. Now, the main question is, how will we do this? Therefore, we go to the 1 hour, and two possibilities. Like this looks just like one straight line, so difficult to analyze. If I have to divide this in 3 waves, I would do it like this: wave A here, wave B right here, and then here wave C. Maybe we see this better here on the 15 minutes indeed. So then I think this here was an impulse that ended, so, or wave A. So then it means very shallow wave B. But from here again an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with divergence compared to our wave 3, marginal new low. So yeah, I would think if we have an ABC here, it is as I depicted right here. Now, an alternative would be that this is just the wave A, as shown here in red. Then we should have a rally up as a wave B, and then we should come down again as a wave C. So that would also be possible. Yeah, the problem with this is that it is difficult to analyze. It is just one straight line down. Unfortunately, the market is not giving us always the perfect Elliott wave structures, the swings that we want to see, like a clear ABC. No, sometimes it happens that or ABC might be hidden somewhere in this structure. And if it is hidden in this structure, then I would label it like this: A, B, C. So let's see now. I would expect that we turn up from this area as a wave C. And if this happens, then then we should at least, we should take out this high and also this high here. Then the WXY structure would be complete. This is my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you back on Monday for an analysis of the lower time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.